The Chicco GoFit Backless Booster Car Seat is a safe, sturdy option for growing kids who are no longer in need of a high-back booster seat. It's made to be installed quickly and easily, with built-in lap belt guides as well as a shoulder belt clip. Speaking of installation and use, you won't have to worry about it damaging your car's upholstery, thanks to its thoughtfully designed smooth underside. This contoured seat boasts comfortable double foam padding, so your child will remain comfortable on rides of any length. Dual cup holders can be folded away to save space when they're not in use, and an integrated carrying handle makes the GoFit highly portable and easy to transfer from car to car. You'll have peace of mind knowing this model has been rated a Best Bet Booster by the nonprofit group Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. Overview of Chicco GoFit Backless Booster. The Chicco GoFit Backless Booster Car Seat is a convenient and comfortable means of ensuring your growing child rides safely when he or she is ready to transition out of a high-back booster. It's sturdy and comfortable, and is made for kids in the weight range of 40 to 110 pounds and the height range of 38 to 57 inches. It's thoughtfully designed with a plush cover as well as 2 integrated cup holders that can be folded away to save space when they're not needed. It can be set up in a matter of seconds and is just as easy to carry by an adult or a child when it's time to move it into a different car thanks to its built-in carrying handle. This makes it a great choice for multiple car households or for families who carpool frequently to school or sports events. Not only is the GoFit's fabric comfortable, but it's also removable, so you can toss it into the washer as often as you like to keep it fresh and clean. Similarly, the cup holders can be removed and placed in the dishwasher. As you can see, keeping the Chicco GoFit in good shape doesn't require a lot of time and effort on your part. As far as installation, note that this model is not equipped to work with the vehicle's latch system. Who is the Chicco GoFit Backless Booster Car Seat suitable for? The Chicco GoFit Backless Booster Car Seat is made for kids who are between 4 and 10 years of age, ranging from 40 to 110 pounds in weight and 38 to 57 inches in height. It's a convenient option for busy families with growing children who might frequently need to transfer the booster from car to car, including for carpooling purposes. It's also well suited for long drives and road trips, thanks to 2 cup holders that can keep drinks and snacks within arm's reach for your child. What is included with the Chicco GoFit Backless Booster Car Seat? While the Chicco GoFit does not come with any accessories, you can opt to purchase a compatible console that can be attached to the seat to store small toys or other necessities. While this model does not incorporate latch-enabled installation components, the similar, slightly more expensive Chicco GoFit does include them. The Chicco GoFit is a medium-priced compact backless booster safety seat that provides support in all the right places. Its Ergo Boost double foam padding makes it a comfortable ride both for your child and you, especially in small cars. Recommended by Consumer Reports, the GoFit is an easy-to-handle and transport seat with a built-in carry handle that makes it easy to transfer from vehicle to vehicle. Other nice additions are 2 flexible upholders that can be used by passengers, a plush cover, and a very good performing backless booster that provides excellent belt fit. The seat has a machine-washable seat pad making cleanup from those inevitable accidents a snap. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.